B, I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with the mouth. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs in here. I do not like them share my air.
Hey!
Say, look at his fingers. 1, 2, 3, how many fingers do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with the fox? Not in a box, not with the fox, not in the house, not with the mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Say my name.
Would you, could you, in a car? Eat them, here they are.
I would do to sit, and we did not like it. Not one little bit. And then something went bump. Had that bump, made us jump. We found the word up in the map. We looked and we saw him, the cat and the hat. He said to us, I would say,
Down now, I no kids, have no kids. Like that, all kids are not dead. The cat's in the hat. While we
They said they're not trying to cool with the place, so we signed that house at a COVID.
Little star, this one has a little car. Say yes, which are red. Some are blue and some are orange, some are new, some are sad and some are glad, and some are very, very sad. Why are they sad and glad and bad?
I do not like them, I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in a house. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them in a house.
oh, fun things go by. Some have 2 feet, some have 4, some have 6. Don't ask us why, ask your mother.
Oh!
Hey, look at their fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do you see? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's 11. 11? This is something new. I wish I had 11 too. Oh yeah. Sun did not shine to went to play. So we sat in the house on a cold day. I sat